Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Donna Just Being Real. My channel is all about dating, love, relationships, and toxic relationship advice channel. Yeah, so we're gonna get back into this one. Welcome to Ohio, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so we have this low-life monster by the name of Chad Doerman. Chad Doerman killed his 3 sons on June 15th. Yes, he did. All right, so I'm going to read a brief article, and after that, I'm going to show you the body cam. So we're going to focus on the body cam today, the police body cam footage. All right, and what you do is you make sure you hit the like button, share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section. All right, and subscribe to my channel if my channel is your type of commentary, and feel free to check out some of my past commentary and leave some feedback. And to the ones who's been watching my past commentary, thank you. I appreciate you so much. And the ones who's been donating, sending blessings to my channel, I appreciate it too. And if you need to get a hold of me, feel free. Look into the comment section. You can find my email address. If you have a viewer's request, or you have any question or need to speak to me about something, or you need coaching, anything like that, find my email and contact me, and we'll go from there. All right, so let's get into this low-life monster right here. This low-life has 3 beautiful sons. Do you see the boys? Absolutely gorgeous. Three beautiful boys. And he killed them all. And the thing about it is, what was so chilling about this whole thing is, he was plotting for 4 months. 4 months, ladies and gentlemen. 4 months on doing something horrific like this to his boys. Alright, so let's get into the article first. And then after the article, we're going to shoot right into the body cam. All right. And like I said, make sure you hit that like button. All right. And share me out on your social media, anything like that. And we go from there. All right. So this article came out in Fox News, and this came out today. Ohio man accused of executing 3 young sons. Was it today? I might be wrong, but it's a Fox News article. All right. Let's go from here. Ohio man accused of executing 3 young sons seen in a body cam video sitting calmly next to the gun afterwards. An Ohio dad accused of executing 2 of his sons before he hunted down and shot the third appeared sitting calmly on the porch in the body cam video as responding deputies found the children's bodies scattered around his lawn. Oh boy. Chad Christopher Doerman, the lowlife, the devil's helper, yes, we're going to call him the devil's helper, is being held on $20 million bail for 3 charges of aggravated murder in the shooting deaths of his 3 sons. The boys' ages are 3, 4, and 7. The video shows deputy responding to a 911 call after 4 p.m. June 15, exiting their vehicles and seeking cover as they approach Doerman, who appeared to ignore some of their commands, but is taken into custody without additional violence. All right. So this lowlife was just sitting there. See right there? He was just sitting there. Yeah, he was just sitting there. All right, resume reading. They approached as he sat on the front porch, ordering him to show his hands and stand up. He remained seated on the stoop, elbows on his knees, palms empty and open, with a rifle at his side. He's wearing jeans and a t-shirt and socks, but no shoes. He had the smear of blood on his left arm. The first deputy grabbed him by the wrist and the back of his neck and yanked him onto the ground. A second officer placed him in handcuffs. Throughout the 3 videos, authorities released black bars obscured the screen where the boys' bodies are laying on the grass. Immediately after Doerman is cuffed, deputies attempt to render aid. So when I show you the body cam, they're gonna have like areas that's blacked out, because that's where the little angels was at. So that, we can't see stuff like that. I'm glad we don't need to see that. We don't at all. We just need to see justice being served. That's all we need to see, that this clown is locked up for life. Resume reading. As medics tried to treat a victim, a deputy asked him what he was doing. "Can I roll over?" Doerman asked, cuffed and prone on the ground. "I ain't gonna hurt y'all. I ain't gonna hurt nobody." The deputy pressed him. "What's going on, man?" "Nothing. Can I stand up?" This lowlife replied. "It's kind of uncomfortable." Okay, so he's saying he's uncomfortable being on the ground. But what did you do to your son? See, this is what I'm talking about with these monsters, these low life, these devil helpers. They always feel entitled. It's about them. Poor them. All right, let's get back to it. The deputy picked him up and another arrived to escort him to the back of the cruiser. Can you get the wallet out of my pocket? This lowlife can be heard asking the deputy as he laid away in cuffs. Shut up, dude. You have the right to remain silent, the disgusted officer said. And he replied is, effing use it. That officer was mad. And do you blame him? Do you blame the officer for being mad? Seeing no children laid out on the lawn like that? By the hands of their father that's supposed to provide and protect his family? Yep, dads are considered to be superheroes to these children. Resume reading. Almost done, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to get right to the body cam. Just hang it in. Don't forget, hit that like. He is also accused of wounding their mother in the attack. At his arraignment Friday, prosecutor alleged that he confessed to lining up his sons in the yard and gunning them down. This is by far the most sickening, horrifying crime I've ever seen. Claremont County Prosecutor Mark Tivek, I can't pronounce that, I might be saying it wrong, but let's just say prosecutor. According to the Cincinnati-based WKRC-TV, I can only imagine the terror these boys felt and experienced as their father, their protector, was murdering them. One tried to flee, according to authorities, but this lowlife allegedly chased him, caught him, and dragged him home to be shot. Can you hear this? This lowlife Doerman is due back in court on June 26. All right, that's the end of the article, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we're going to get into this. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful angels. Beautiful. Died by the hands of your monster father that was plotting for months. All right, now we're going to get into this body cam video, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so I might pause a second or two just to share my thoughts, but let's get it. It starts off silent, but a little bit, because I guess they didn't put the mic on, but it's going to come on.
Negative. Sounds like we're getting another call from someone in the area. Right.
Go ahead.
Getting a call now from Misty advising that her grandfather told her that, actually not a female, said that her grandfather was killing everyone in the house and that the female went to the fire station. Right.
Go ahead.
There's a male actively shooting at the firehouse. Base is on 99. Come converting the rest.
63, how many houses down from the firehouse is this?
You're clear. 30.
Supervisor's aware of this. Yes, sir, you copy.
63, what's your ETA?
About 5-6 out. Just around Liddell, Nicholsville.
Residents of the fire station have been advised to get inside. Just so everyone's aware, somewhere in the mix there's a 16-year-old female that ran from the original house that was going to the firehouse for help. Not sure where she's at now.
63, you're clear. Do we have a description of the male shooting?
Negative. This was called out that the shooting was occurred by the fire station. They all are back inside of the firehouse. Traffic, your digital. Video is still digital, but the fire department is who told us that shots were fired. Male shooting the male light green shirt, blue jeans on the front porch of 1965 Laurel.
Talk to round 1.
63 to 72, do you have traffic?
Negative. Anyway. 3 rounds out.
3 children have been shot, not breathing. Additional call sounds like the shooter's the father of the children.
I wanted to say I hope that you was able to hear it, but there was another child, I think 11 or something, I'm not correct with the age, but she ran out the house. That was the mother's daughter, I guess, from a previous guy that she was with before him, because she had 3 kids by this monster, and there's the 3 boys, and she ran off to the firehouse screaming for help. All right, let's get back to it. Resume.
Units en route, 1965 Laurel. It sounds like the male's still on the porch. There are multiple children in the yard, non-breathers.
29, you're clear. Mile and a half out.
I'm putting aircraft standby.
Information on itself at 29, it's past the Holly School.
I can't copy.
We're getting ready to be 37 here, so just give us 99.
Let's just do it now. 37, still the back channel. Tap 1.
advising them that the male shot the entire family.
29137.
You're clear.
Where's he at?
He's shooter stand on the porch.
Get him right here. Right here. You got him on the porch.
We've
Right
asked, that's the last place we've been told.
here. You
that
show me
he's
your hands now! Stand up and walk towards us! Stand up now! Walk towards us! Stand up with your hands up!
We got a visual in the veil. Not showing his hands, not following commands.
Stand up
I'm
now!
not showing hands or following commands. His name is Chad Doerman. Chad Doerman.
I know, but we can't.
People need first aid and he's not complying. You know he's a shooter, shoot him.
We gotta find cover first. We ain't no good if we ain't safe ourselves. Hey, no. We need to come from this side where we can see them. Don't take cover behind her. We see them. We're going to approach from this side. We got cover. Right here.
6 numbers 29 and 63 attack on.
Yeah, we're okay right now.
Show us your fucking hands now! Stand up! Stand up! Stand up! Stand up now! Stand up! Stand the fuck up!
EMS to stage and air clear is going to go ahead and fly whenever any units can advise.
Get your hands out here.
72.
Tell them we're 21. It's in the air.
Those guys can confirm that there's people that need first aid, and that's the shooter. He's not complying. They need to take care of the
I got it.
victims. They have to shoot him and shoot him.
Man, I ain't trying to hurt nobody. I'm completely sober. Never did drugs a day
63,
in my
we're
life.
21. Get the EMS over here.
Well, I did drugs when I was little, but I don't do drugs now. I'm sober. I'm not trying to fight you. Gatlin,
63.
get your butt inside. Gatlin, get your butt inside.
We on primary?
Now.
29, we got 3 kids down.
3 kids down, 16 feet up.
Gatlin.
63, we're 21.
Knock
Have
it off.
EMS respond over here.
You're clear, they're being advised.
Robert 34, just started mass casualty response.
63, do you want them to respond to the Laurel Lindale address? Where exactly do you need them?
We're right in the front yard. What are you doing, man?
Hey, are you copying all this?
Can I roll over? I ain't gonna hurt you. I ain't gonna hurt
You
nobody.
got anything on you?
No, I ain't got nothing, man. Phone, that's it. I ain't mad. I ain't nothing. Just make sure that dog don't come out. I don't think he'll bite you. Just don't reach for him and try to grab him and pet him.
All right.
He won't bite you.
What's going on, man?
Nothing. Can I stand up? It's kind of uncomfortable.
I'm gonna
I
get
ain't
you
gonna
here
do
in a
nothing. I ain't running
second.
away. You can do whatever you want with me.
Here. You the only one else inside the house?
What?
You the only one else inside the house?
Yeah.
Sit down right here.
My daughter, she ran over to the fire department.
Sit down.
It's my stepdaughter.
Put him in the cage.
This is real.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of this body cam. So sad. This is just so horrible. Let me see if I can rewind a little bit. Did you hear the mother in the background? Let's go back to this Lowlife just sitting there like nothing. Where you at, Lowlife? Look at him. Trying to get to the part when he's on the ground. Just look at him. He was just sitting on the porch like nothing. He don't care. He don't care. You heard the mother in the background? He took away my life. They babies. 3 beautiful boys. Look, there's his boys. They out with dad, having a good time, having father and son time. Was he plotting at that time? And I don't want to hear this mental illness with this. I really don't want to hear the mental illness. You know, this basically is he's possessed by the devil. The devil done took over him. He's serving the devil. Look at him. Look at those eyes. Someone left me a comment in my other video, what I did the other night, the live stream, left a comment on the replay. And they said, ladies, look at the eyes. Eyes tell a lot. And they right. I forgot the person's name, so I apologize. You can put in the comments if you have said it. Look at this. Plotting. 3 boys. And when you saw the little black marks, that was where the boys was laying on, you know, on the grass. So, of course, they're not going to show you that. 3 of them. Just sitting there. Calm with the rifle. You see the rifle right there? Like it's nothing. Just a regular old day. So what? He don't care. And I have the nerves to tell the officer, you know, I'm a little uncomfortable. Well, you just killed your 3 sons. We supposed to worry about your comfort? Oh, they're going to get him in jail and prison. They're going to get him. He's done. He's completely done. But I'm really going to follow this case. And I have another video because I'm going to show you the video of his first court appearance. Yeah, the first court appearance. So I'm going to do another video on that one. When he first went to court. And he confessed that he did it. Which is obvious that he did. So stay tuned for more because I'm going to watch this because I really want to hear. And also I'm going to show a clip too with the video clip of the neighbors, what the neighbors had to say. You know, this is just really strange. You know, I don't want to put fault on anybody, but I'm just like to know more about this story. Ma, did you see the signs? What was happening? I don't know. Neighbors, you know, if you hear that he was hollering, screaming at the kids and he had a temper, why no one called for help to, you know, to help these boys, to help the family if there's abuse going on. I don't know. There's so many questions we have and we don't have no answers to. But it will eventually come out, especially when it hits trial. Everything comes out in trial, ladies and gentlemen. Can't hide nothing. Can't hide nothing. This monster. Do that to your children. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, what you do, if you haven't done it, hit the like. Share the video out on your social media. Make sure you leave me some feedback. Tell me your thoughts and opinions about this. Did you hear about this? Are you new from this? Are you in this area? Do you live in the area of Ohio where this happened at? Let me know. Let me know. All right, ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned for some more of Donna Just Being Real. And remember, date smart, not thirsty. And us women, you know, if we abusive relationship with a man, we got to find the best we can to get out that relationship and protect our children. I'm not trying to put fault on, like I said, I don't know the whole story. Nobody knows the whole story. But I'm just saying this, we have to just try to find a way to get out. Those poor babies. Look at them. Look at them. They ain't do nothing wrong. They looked up to you as some sort of superhero, sir. Yep, they looked at you as a superhero. Didn't realize that their father was Satan Jr. Bye.